Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a remedy that you are going to apply 10 minutes before you go to bed, and this is going to change your skin like really well. Okay, so apply this for a couple of days and you're going to be seeing the result. Like the result is going to be so visible, so bright, like the skin is going to glow. Okay, so let me show you all of the ingredients and let me apply it on my face and let you see. Yep. And if you want to know what it is, stay put and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let's go. For my turmeric face mask, I'm gonna be needing pawpaw. This is pawpaw. It is called papaya, but we call it pawpaw. Yeah. Now my turmeric face mask is gonna be prepared with papaya, which is one of the great ingredients. Yeah. So I have this papaya here and I'm gonna be peeling it all up. So I'm actually gonna be removing the seed. Now after removing the seed, then I have to cut it in pieces. Now after cutting this, then I have to be transferring it into a blender. My papaya is blended properly and it's actually very soft. Okay, I'm actually going to be turning it into this bowl, and this is it. It's actually very soft and it is properly blended. So my next ingredient is going to be vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C is a great remedy for brightening up the skin, and it helps so much to make the skin look really youthful and young. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be putting it into this my very small mortar. I have to be crushing it all out. Now after crushing it, then I'll be putting it into the papaya bowl and then give it a stir. Now after that is done, we're gonna be needing to use turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is a great remedy that helps so much to moisturize and rejuvenate the skin. It will help to tighten up your loose skin. Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting in half teaspoon. So now we have to turn it and stir it really good. And then the next ingredient is going to be coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a great remedy that helps so much to smoothen out the skin. Mixing it all up in this ingredient is going to help so much to rejuvenate and make your skin really smooth. Okay, so I'm going to be putting in just a half teaspoon of coconut oil and mix it all up. And then the last ingredient, which is very important, is tomato. Now tomato is a great remedy that closes up large pores. It helps to minimize the size of wrinkles, and it also works wonders for the skin. Okay, so what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to be grating it. So I'm going to be grating the tomato. Okay, right, so this is it. It looks as if I blended it. It looks really smooth. Now this is it, and I'm gonna be stirring it all up and mixing it really well. Okay, now for this, guys, you can actually use it to firm up your skin as a turmeric mask. Lighten up your skin, tone up your skin, and give your skin that fresh look. Without makeup, you are gonna be looking really beautiful. This is how it is, yeah. So give yourself just 10 minutes every freaking night. Apply this for 10 minutes before you go to bed. Trust me, this is gonna do wonders. And do not forget to refrigerate it. Like for me, I refrigerate it. This is how it is looking like really lovely. Like, I'm loving the smell already, apart from the turmeric smell, because I don't like turmeric smell. But of course, the other smell has actually mixed in together, and it smells really good. It doesn't actually have that turmeric of a smell. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is that you're gonna use a brush, and then you're gonna pack this goodness. Look at how it says. Oh my goodness, you're gonna pack this goodness onto your skin. Make sure to apply really good on each and every part of your skin. Okay, so you apply more because I need to cover this. I need to cover everywhere. Since I'm leaving it on for 10 minutes before I wash it off, I need to cover everywhere. Now before that, you can as well just give it a little massage. Okay, literally, because you're not like scrubbing, you're just like massaging your face with it. Okay, and it's actually gonna get into your skin, and I'm loving the way it is, guys. Okay, massage my nose, and I tend to massage this my laugh line more especially. Okay, and this place, because when I was pregnant I used to have one mark there. I don't know why, but it's actually going off, so I really massage it a whole lot. Yeah, so okay, so after you've done that, then for you to sit for like 10 minutes before you wash it off, you would have to apply it again, give it another coating. Okay. Okay guys, so after 10 minutes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, you go wash it off, and remember to wash it off with a normal water, and remember to use a toilet soap. Now trust me, 10 minutes every day for just 1 week, you are going to see that your skin is going to be so sweet, so beautiful. Like, trust me, this is really nice and I'm loving it. So that's it guys, try that every 10 minutes every day for a couple of weeks, at most 2 weeks or 1 week at most, you know. This is actually going to help you so much. It's going to help you to glow and polish up your skin. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video. Alright, and I'll see you soon, and stay safe and beautiful, and bye guys, and